I'm off to Arundel. Taking the train from Victoria Station. About 15 minutes to go. About 15 minutes to go. And apparently the train takes about 90 minutes. So, here we go.
The next train to depart from platform 10 will be the 1000 Southern service to Epsom Downs via Norbury, calling at Battersea Park.
Okay, anyway, decided to pay for a first class ticket as a surprise. An extra.
And you got the surprise instead.
An extra 20 quid. And I say it's not even worth it.
It's not even. It's just not. It just
it's
wasn't
not
worth
worth
it.
it. I mean, just kind of look at it. It might as well be regular class. And they also said there's going to be sockets to charge your phones. Can't see anything like that yet. They also said there's Wi-Fi. Well, I don't know about that, but I think I'm using my mobile network. Anyway, Southern trains. Oh yeah, look. Southern trains, first class, not very first class. Anyway, so Arundel, here we come. Okay.
I'm sure you're in St. Thomas.
Yeah, we are. So this is it's got bagel and coffee shop.
Don't you get to meet your friends?
Wait exactly. Bagel and coffee shop.
I think this is it. I don't
Traditional butchers.
There's more to it. There's a pretty town
What?
centre. There's a castle base.
That's the castle up the top there.
Yeah.
Oh, that's the.
Antiques.
Yeah, no, that's not
Mind
the.
way, guys.
That's not the military place.
That's all right. There's something nearby.
Yeah.
Did you guys do the castle?
Yeah,
There should be
can
things that you
do.
could just go in first, then you know what you call it.
Is it alright if I just take a video of you guys? Yeah, these are a couple guys that we met on the train. Can you say your name, please?
Jacob.
Agat and Jacob. They're from, Jacob's from DR Congo.
We're both from DR Congo.
You're both from DR Congo?
Yeah.
Okay, we met them on the train up here. And we're now going out to wherever together?
Yeah.
Okay. half a pint of lager shandy because I realised that I've got to take the train home.
What's that got to do with it?
I don't want to be late for the train.
Rubbish.
Yeah,
We're going to eat first. We've got a long time to stay here.
that's true. But,
Come on, did you order half a pint?
yeah, I know. I want to be compass mentis.
I didn't realise you said half a pint.
Yeah, it was half a pint. Yeah.
That's why I wanted this particular one.
Woo! Yeah.
We didn't look when we came out to see where we came out.
I think we came out from over there. But after a lovely day in Arundel, back to the station and back home to London.